Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm doing a collaboration with MAINEiac Grammie's Homestead. We're fixing different kinds of bread. So first of all, you want to put 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened, and then you mix that till smooth. And then you will add 1 cup of sugar or 1 cup of Swirl or sugar substitute of your choice. Combine those two good. Then add 1 stick of melted butter. Mix this well. There is a lot of different ones doing different bread recipes, so I will leave their links below in the description box so you could check out their channels. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Mix this well together. I want to thank my friend Angie for showing me this recipe. She had seen it on Pinterest, so she told me about it, and it's really delicious. Add 2 eggs, beaten. Mix these well together. I hope everyone is staying safe and well out there. Okay, you add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then to this, you will add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You mix the dry ingredients together. Add in your wet ingredients. Trying to get it all out of the pan. You combine the dry ingredients and wet ingredients together. Then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And mix this well together. I want to thank all of my subscribers and everyone that watches. I really do appreciate it. Thank you all so much. It means a lot to me. Okay, and then you add a 1.5 cups of strawberries, chopped or diced. You can use any kind of fruit that you would like to, though. Frozen fruit, fresh fruit, just it doesn't matter. Okay, in this I've got a sprayed loaf pan, and then I sprinkle in powdered sugar instead of flour. This helps the bread come out, and it don't taste like flour. It tastes like powdered sugar. Put this in your loaf pan. I'm thinking about doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Okay, I bake the loaf pan at 350 for 1 hour. And then you let cool, and then you turn it out on a plate. And then you can cut into desired pieces. I cut it while it was still warm. It's probably best to wait till it cools off, but I just couldn't help it. It looks so good. And I wanted my butter to melt on there. Stay tuned in the next video. I'm fixing French toast out of this bread. Thank you so much, MAINEiac Grammie's Homestead. I really appreciate you inviting me to do this. Everyone have a great day. Thank you.